Want to move money from your credit card directly to your debit card? This sounds like a convenient way to get cash, but it's important to understand the implications. In this guide, I'll clarify how to generally transfer money from a credit card to a debit card. It's important to know that transferring money directly from a credit card to a debit card is almost always processed as a cash advance by your credit card issuer. This means it will immediately incur cash advance fees and a higher interest rate, usually starting from the transaction date. To perform this, you would typically use your credit card to get a cash advance at an ATM, or through a similar feature offered by your bank, where the funds are then deposited into your linked checking account, which your debit card accesses. Finally, always be aware of the costs. This method is generally not recommended for getting cash due to the high fees. For most financial needs, alternative options like personal loans or budgeting are more cost-effective. And there you have it. Transferring money from a credit card to a debit card involves specific charges. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.